Man, this looks bad because now I'm stripping. But she's got the hiccup. Baby, I'm coming for you.
Shut up, Joe.
Yeah, stop recording it.
Here comes Big Bird.
I can't breathe.
Why are you still stripping?
Scared lotion.
Oh, it's the pizza that I ate.